Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Heather and today I'm gonna share with you the most delicious triple chocolate cake. And if we haven't met before, my name's Heather. I run Fit Mama Real Food and I love creating healthy recipes. And that includes cake. This cake recipe is your healthier cake option. This recipe I started making a long time ago, like 8, 9, 10 years ago, something like that. And it was probably one of the first gluten-free cake recipes that I experimented with. And it was delicious then. It is super delicious now too. And I just love it because it's made with a mixture of oat flour, brown rice flour, and coconut flour. And I just happen to have all of them in my pantry when I wanted to make it. So I shot a video to show you guys how it comes together so that you can make it in your own kitchen too. Here's the how-to. As you can see, we're making it in one bowl, which is my favorite way to bake. One, it just means less dishes and it just comes together faster and it totally works. But you've got to get your wet ingredients mixed together. You put all your dry ingredients on top and then you give those a little mix it all together and then put it in your pan. The frosting is so yummy. It's a mixture of maple syrup, cream cheese, and cocoa powder. It's got this nice deep flavor from the maple syrup and the cocoa powder, and you could make more if you love a lot of frosting, or you can do this small amount like we did for this recipe. If you found this video helpful and if you try this recipe, I want to hear all about it. You can leave a comment on the blog, which you can find the link here down in the description. And if you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe because we've got lots of tasty, yummy, healthy recipes coming, and I hope that you're here for them. Bye.